Hi and welcome to Filmmaking and Stuff. I'm Chris. In this video I'm going to plant chili. Before we begin to planting, I need to tell you about what inspired me to do so. And it was actually a TV series on Swedish national TV from the branch that usually make kids and youth programs. UR, Utbildningsradion. Well, just directly translated, it means educational radio, which is odd since it's on television, but well, that's the name anyway. And this miniseries, I think it's 6-part, and it's called Prylberget. Translation would probably be something along the lines of Gadget Pile or Gadget Mountain or something. So the series is about sustainability and environment. In the first episode, they talked about a lot of things, but the thing that really got me inspired was the thing about using the leftover coffee grounds, and the host is using it to fertilize his plants. So that's where I got my inspiration. And if you've followed this channel along, you know that I also like chili. I have made a video about how to make a very delicious chili hot sauce. I will link that video in the description. And it so happens to be that I tried to farm or plant some chilies a couple of years ago, but it never happened. So I had some chili seeds lying around. So this was the perfect combination. I got inspired from the video on Swedish national TV, and I had the seeds. And also I started collecting some milk cartons to plant all of these seeds into. Talking about milk cartons, I've got one here from a 1.5 liter milk carton bottle. I usually flatten them out like this, so it takes very little space and they hold this shape. I actually made a video about that as well. I'll link it in the video description down below. In the TV series, the host uses wet coffee grounds, but I've had some bad experience with that, with sort of piling up wet coffee grounds because they get moldy. So this time I decided to dry them instead. And I've sort of figured out the process of how to dry it. And it's on the boiler. I spread them out on a piece of paper and let them dry. And the paper sort of drags out the moisture. And then I can collect them in a bin and store them, and they won't get moldy. The previous time we collected used coffee grounds, we had them for another project, and stick around and I'll show you that very nice tips what you can do with dried coffee beans that are used. Oh well, I think that's about it. Let's get into the video. Chili. I'm trying to grow some chili. Yeah, I've got some earth here, planting earth, and here I've got a container full of used dried coffee that I'm going to enrich the soil with. And then I have lots of these cut up milk cartons. They're great for planting in. They are aligned with some form of protective layer, so they will keep the moisture in. And they're very affordable because they're free. I mean, when the milk is out, in goes the soil. Let's get dirty. Like so, some earth or soil, and then some coffee. I don't really know how much coffee you're supposed to get, but well, yeah, I think that's probably just fine. And let's do some mixing and some water. Let's add some water. I think that's good. And now for the filling. I should probably have chosen a better place to be at, but it's freezing outside, so here on the floor is probably good enough. So, let's do it. So I've got my 9 pots. Just need some cleaning up here. A couple of them have a little bit too little soil, so I need to blend up some more. Let's do that. Where? Yeah, there's my chili. Okay. Where's my scissors then? Here they were, but they were well disguised on the floor, same color. Oh well, I got new scissors. So I don't know if these shears actually going to work, because it says that they should sort of expired, I think, or quite a while ago. Well, let's see if it works anyway. I don't know, or maybe it's just some form of other number. Well, it says 19, so I think it's probably a couple of years old, but let's see. Okay, so that's just an outer, and then we have the inner one. Let's open that one as well. And it says I need to plant this 1 centimeter down. I think, yep, 1 centimeter down. Okay, that's not very many, so maybe I've made more pots than I've got seeds. Let's see. 1 centimeter down. That's 3 done, and there's 3. And then, yeah, I have enough to fill out all of them, plus 1. So maybe I'll do that. Like so. Oh, maybe I put 2 in this one. Oh yeah, I did. Oh well. That's all 9 ready. Let's put some foil, plastic foil over them, and make them ready for the windowsill. I think we need to water them a little bit more. Okay, I'm just going to clean this off because it was dirty on the bottom. And put some plastic over it so it won't lose all its moisture. Maybe this is too big piece. Yeah. Like so. And I have a rubber band. Like so. And then I'm going to poke a hole in that one. But I think I could probably... Yeah, I could scissor this. So here's a new one. I'll just cut this off. Around here. Like so. Do the same thing for this one. Plastic over and the rubber band. Like so. I think that's fun. Let's put them over there. Yep. And there are two more. Here comes two more. So that makes 6. Here comes 7 and 8. Just one more. And the last one, number 9. Bend your knees, please, number 9. Bend your knees. So the chilies are finally in the ground and on the windowsill. It's probably very warm and cozy for them. So let's see if they're sprouting in a week or two. And now for the extra bonus that I teased about in the beginning. You can use the coffee as an insect repellent and it works very well. However, you need to have a ceramic plate or something with good insulation because it can get really hot. So you put it in a sort of a pile, you put it on fire and then it starts smoking. And the smoke is not sort of a nasty kind of smoke. It's sort of a coffee-like and it's rather pleasant, but the insect doesn't like them. I learned this tip from a friend who is very allergic to wasps and bees, and it works very well for repelling those insects, but it works for other insects as well. So there you got a bonus tip. Thanks a lot for watching. Please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now!